Hello everyone. What are we on, number 8 is this? Yeah, number 8. Right, I think you've already seen the engine, of course you have. Right, got a gearbox, automatic. A very friendly guy who is part of the part of the National Street Van Association, which my dad used to be a member of. His son, down at Peterborough. Big thanks to him. He runs the NFG car club on Facebook, so big shout out to him. Thanks ever so much for your gearbox, which will be going onto the Rover. I've ordered a couple of bits. The dipstick tube he couldn't find, and flex plate. I haven't got a flex plate, so I've ordered one. Anyway, so that's all done. Oh, and he gave me a couple of rocker covers as well that have already started being cleaned and polished. So that's really the next job, to start stripping that, because I've got to fit it in the ute to figure out settings and where things are going to go. Anyway, right into the ute. Welding wise, I think it's finished. Yay, finished! There's a few little holes here and there, which there's a couple there I'm not going to really worry about. It's not the end of the world. A little bit of filler's going to sort them out. It's, you know, I mean, crikey, if you went all hog, I've used almost 2 full sheets, 8x4 sheets, or what are they now, 2.5 meters by whatever the hell it is, 8x4 sheets of steel plate. So that's all done. Done the corner bits again and redid those corner bits. Chopped all the bits out in there that really were quite bad, needed sorting. Done all those, and I've just finished, literally just finished the new floor. Cut it all out, and let me get past. There's the new floor, and here's the old one, with lots and lots and lots of holes. It looks like a tea bag on a bad day. So there we go. So next job, I'm going to I'm just going to go over everything. There's a few things. Oh, I need to take that off, that old thing there. I need to just go over it and check everything, make sure I haven't missed silly pieces that are, you know, staring me in the face. But then what I'm going to do is, I think I'll red oxide primer the whole of the underneath, just the underneath, with a nice big thick red oxide primer, and then wax oil the whole lot. I think that'll be right to do. I think is that what yeah, that's what I did in my Jeep. Or did I spray it black? No, it was red oxide primer, and I wax oiled it all. Yeah, that's right, yeah. So that's the job I'm going to do. Red oxide primer over everything on the bottom, and then up to, well, I'll do the bottom of the frame as well, up to here, and then the engine bay is going to be black. I'll do all that black. I was going to have it the colour of the car, but I don't think I'll bother. There's too many bits and wiggles and things. So, but anyway, that's the next job, painting. Do the undercoat on the bottom, and then what I'm going to do is I'll put it right side up and start fitting doors and things and lining everything up and making sure everything fits again. So before the top gets primered in normal colour. I'm not going to red oxide the top. That'll be just normal primer. So there we go. It's really coming on now. I'm so pleased that the welding's done. These I've made mega strong, so they're for new jacking points. So they won't. That's 3mm steel plate all around both sides, welded inside and out. So I did remember to put the holes in for the seats. So that's all done. Right, there you go. That's where we're up to. So thanks for jogging along with me, and we'll see you soon. I'll show you when I've done the bottom, and I'll be back. Thanks very much. See you soon. Ta-da. Right, welcome to the red house. Everything's red. Right, that's the undercoat on the bottom. So, and in the engine bay. So now what I shall do is wax oil everything. Wax oil all in the chassis legs everywhere. And wax oil everywhere I can get down these. Wax oil the whole bottom. That'll all get wax oil. Push a pipe up these. Try and get them waxed. And down the channels as best you can. Get it all wax oil. There's some holes in here, look, that you can get into. Inject wax oil into them, so those will get all wax oiled. So hopefully give it a life. And there's a few holes in the sills that can be done. Right, so that's that. Obviously engine bay will be black. I'm going to do that black hammerite all inside. And there you go. Everything up. Oh, missed a bit. What a surprise. Never mind, wasn't it? I'll touch it up tomorrow probably. There you go then. Okay. Wax oil's the next job. That's a horrible messy thing. That goes everywhere, that bloody stuff, but there you go. Right, cheers for now. On to the next one. See you on the next episode. Bye.